Hi, my name's Alyx. I'm the founder and lead product designer here at DragonWear. And today I'd like to show you our new Big Easy backpack. Why do we call it the Big Easy? Well, it's big and loading it's really easy. Let me show you. With our panel loading design, it's easy to get all of your gear in, organized, and accessible. There's room for your climbing spikes, for your lineman's belt, for your fall protection harness, and over here in this mesh pocket, it's a great place to keep your rain gear and gloves easily accessible and organized. The front pocket is large enough for your helmet and other gear. The side pockets can keep your hand tools organized and easily accessible. Grommets on all of the pockets allow for drainage should water get in or to shed water from your wet gear. There's daisy chain on the top for lashing extra gear. Our padded shoulder harness and optional waist belt will help you comfortably carry 50 to 60 pound load. The fabric that Big Easy is made from is 1680 ballistic polyester, durable, tear resistant, and waterproof. This is the optional padded waist belt for the Big Easy. It's simple to install. Simply take the end of the waist belt, feed it into the waist belt strap, pull through until the Velcro engages in the center, and that's it. It's ready to wear. For more information about the Big Easy, please go to our website, dragonwear.com, or you can give us a call at 800-873-5725. Thanks.